Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Jeep Cherokee and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the actual installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, grab a clean microfiber towel, and remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so for the installation, just start by applying Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film and align it to this edge here. Once we have it on the edge and it's aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to align it, and once it's aligned, we will tack it down with our squeegee. So make sure you tack down this whole section here. Keep it aligned, carefully tack it down. If you do happen to have any fingers, carefully tack down those fingers. That way you don't accidentally crease anything. And what you could do to help the adhesive activate on this section is apply a little bit of heat and tack it down with your microfiber towel. That way it stays more secured here. So apply Tack Solution, start applying heat on this section of the film. And then with the microfiber towel, help it tack down. So once this is secured, all we need to do now is stretch the film to reach to this edge. So once it's on the edge, it can start tacking down. So apply Tack Solution, stretch the film, hold it in position, make sure everything stays aligned, and apply Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, make sure it doesn't move, and tack it down. So now that this one's secured, apply Tack Solution to the rest of the panel. That way we're able to tack down the film. What you could do is make sure you bring the film a little bit down to cover the lower section and then tack it down. And don't forget about the top. What you could do also is lift the film carefully underneath and apply Tack Solution. Bring it down and tack it down. And then to remove the fingers, just apply a little bit of Tack Solution. Apply heat to the fingers. Grab your microfiber towel and your squeegee and wrap it around the squeegee and just tack it down and go at an angle when you're doing so. And then once most of the fingers have been tacked down, you can focus on the top as well. Do the same steps. Apply Tack Solution, a little bit of heat, and then tack it down. So once you finish removing all the fingers and you tack down the whole film, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire headlight. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster. Okay, so to post heat, just apply Tack Solution to the entire film. Grab your heat gun, start applying heat to every section of the headlight. Make sure you go evenly to each side. And then once we're done applying heat, we can use our microfiber towel in order to help it tack down a little bit more better. So apply just a little bit of pressure, and what this will also do is remove any solution that may be trapped on the edges as well. So take your time post heating the entire headlight, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Jeep Cherokee. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.